Hey, welcome to my Phase 3 Flatiron School project. It is a user repository site requested by my wife. What we can see here on the landing page is that you can create a new user account or you can log into an existing user account. And once you log in, it takes you into your user recipe box. So these are all the recipes I have saved. I can add new recipes by searching for recipes. Um, and these are randomly generated, so I know Caesar salad is Somali. That's how it is. But then I can click on the recipe and it will add it to my user recipe box. I can also add by searching for ingredients. So let's say I have some cocoa powder that I want to use. Then I can search for ingredients that include that, and then I can add that to my recipe box. I can also remove recipes by clicking the remove button here. Another way I can add recipes is I can add my own. So if I click on the add recipe button up here, I can then say, let's add some chili mac. Let's see, I think this is an American. I make a big pot, so 30 people. It's not low calories, so 650 we'll say. I found an image online already, so I'm going to put that in there and then add the directions. So cook elbow, noodles, add chili, and melted cheese. And then let's see, I need elbow noodles. And I'm going to need 2 cups of that. And then I can add ingredients to my recipe by clicking that button. And, you know, it's a busy night, so I'm just going to use canned chili. And it says it's 350 per serving, and I need 2 cans of that, so 32 ounces in total. And then we need shredded cheese, of course. And then we're going to need, I love my cheese, so we're going to have 3 cups of that added. And then once I have all my information in, I can submit it, and then it will be added to my user recipe box here. And then if I own a recipe, okay, well, when I click on the recipe card, it shows me the recipe. So I have general information, the ingredients, I have the directions here. And then if anybody has left a review, you can see it right here. I can add a review also. So best fast meal, and I can add that review to any recipe. And then if I'm the owner of the review, I can also delete those reviews. If I'm the owner of the recipe, so I'm the one that created it, I can click here and edit that recipe. And let's say, oh, you know what? I need 48 or 3 cans of that. So I'm going to put in 48 ounces. And then this is actually going to serve 48 people. And then it's 750 calories. And then I can submit that, and then it will update my recipe. So see, 48 ounces, 750 calories, 48 people, right? And so that's another way I can add an ingredient. I can get back to my user recipe box by clicking my name up here, and it will take me back in. Just like with my own recipe, if I come to another one here, so chicken wings is not in my box here. It's owned by me, so I can edit it. But you can see the reviews here. The one I own I can delete, but the other user reviews I cannot delete. And then if I do not own a recipe, so let's see here, the Caesar salad, you can see here that I cannot edit that recipe. So that's the basics of my phase 3 user project. And when I'm done, I can just click log out and it will bring me back to my start page. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.